When is a mining truck less than the sum of its parts? Simple. When its parts and components come from different OEMs. When parts and components are developed independently by third-party suppliers, they are not always optimized to work well together. Not so with Cat mining trucks. The individual components, software, systems, and engine that go into a Cat truck are designed and manufactured by Caterpillar and supported by the global Cat dealer network. Every Cat truck, from body to bumper, tires to transmission, engines to electronics, is fully optimized to deliver the lowest cost per ton.